All right. So this is the first time my Jeep has been on the ground in months. It's been up on jack stands for forever, waiting for me to get some new tires. Took a while because I was going to get new tires, saved up money for it, but ended up buying a truck because I wanted one, and I figured a deal came up that I couldn't pass up. You saw my other videos, you've seen my new truck. And I thought I'd be able to sell my other car, which I still haven't been able to sell. So it is still for sale at this point, the moment I'm recording this video. But I was able to save up money again, kind of, and buy these tires. I actually got 6 tires. So you see my truck back there. It has 2 new tires, 2 tires from the Jeep. The third good tire is over here as a good spare, since my previous spare doesn't really hold air. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. I mean, it'll be fine for somebody. I'll probably offer it for somebody for free in a local form. If not, I'll find a way to dispose of it correctly. So, and this is my factory wheel. I put the spare on. But these are Hercules Terra Trac TG Max. They're not quite a mud tire. They call them a commercial traction. I think they're meant more for like a commercial 4x4. You know, somebody who maybe works for power lines, has to drive along the power line trails or whatever. I could have gotten their mud trains, the Terra Trac MTs, but they were a bit more muddy, or excuse me, a bit more money. They're about $20, $15 more per tire than what I got these for. So that pushed me over my budget, so I didn't go with those. These were within budget. I was going to go with the Hercules Trail Diggers, but they've quit making those. So yeah, I couldn't go with those. They were a little bit cheaper. It would have saved me a little bit more money to go with those, but they weren't available when I finally had the money together to buy tires, which is in a way good if these are a new tire, because that was a problem with those All-Tracks. I love the All-Tracks. They're a really good tire for my needs, for what I liked, but they quit making them shortly after I bought them. So when I got the rip in the side, I couldn't replace it with the same tire, which I would have just gotten the same tire because they have such little wear on them. It wouldn't have been a problem. Sorry for all the trash on the ground. Anytime the wind blows, it swirls between my neighbor and myself because there's so little room back here between the two houses. I'm gonna put in a new fence and bring it further forward so I don't have the same problem quite as much. Looking at my front wheels, I definitely need to address my alignment. That's turned in a little bit, but this one's turned out more, I think. I'll have to do some measuring and see. But what I'm going to have to do is pull it onto the driveway where it's actually flat to do that. So that'll be part of my weekend project. Hopefully this weekend I'll get some time to do that. But I like the way they look. They look pretty aggressive. They have some nice thread over the shoulder there. Nice big lugs. Definitely looks a lot more aggressive than my old all-terrains. They're going to be noisy on the road, I bet. I haven't driven. I literally just finished putting these on. I took the truck in and had the wheels in the back of the truck, and they installed them, and then I brought them home and actually put them on the Jeep. Walk over here to the truck. Truck fortunately has the same size wheel and tire, so there's the All-Tracks that I put on the front there, and these are the new tires for it. These again are Hercules. I'm a huge fan of Hercules tires. The price you pay for the tire you get is very attractive. And these are Terra Trac AT2s. They get really good reviews, so I decided to go ahead and go with them, and they seemed to drive pretty nice last night. So I didn't know if I should put them on the back or the front, so I haven't put them on the back for now, and then I'll probably rotate them a few thousand miles. All-Tracks are a little bit more chewed up than brand new tire obviously would be, but I think they look alright. The two sets obviously run in different tires but they are the same size. These ones just look dirty and a bit beat up. I'll wash them and make them shiny, and nobody will know the difference again. Not that it really matters to me. So anyways, so now that I got tires on it, I'm going to take it for a spin later this afternoon, just make sure everything's good. See how bad the alignment in the front is, how bad that is, and then park it on the driveway so I can adjust it sometime tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Yeah, excited. Maybe in the next couple weeks I'll be hitting up a trail. For those of you in Arizona, there's one of my favorite trails. It's called Montana Mountain. It's basically an all-day trail. It's relatively easy. It starts in the low desert and drive up to the top. You're oftentimes in snow at the top if it's snowed recently, because you go from, I think it's like 3,500 feet up to over, it's either over 5,000 or over 6,000 feet, something like that. So it'll be warm, you'll be in the 50s, 60s down at the bottom. By the time you get to the top, it'll be, you know, in the 30s, and it'll be snowing, or there'll be snow on the ground. So hopefully the next few weeks it'll snow up there and I can take the kids up and play in the snow a little bit, and then drive home again. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.